ready?
Yes, sir.
Sweet. Let's go. A little bit of Tweety Bird action. Monkeys. Woo! What the heck happened there? Riding a little bit of Tweety Bird with Seth. Seth is on the Orbea Ockham. I'm on the SB. Just a little chill ride Monday. Coming up on landline. Let's take landline, you go to the right on the trail. That's landline there, that's fun. A lot of climbing. As is everything on Little Sugar. Pedal, 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 pedal. Woo. You good? Yeah. All right. It's very leafy and slick, so just be careful. Yeah. Those leaves, man, it's pretty slippery. Shame because Tweety Bird is nice and tacky, but it is slippery with the leaves on it. And this trail holds up so good through the rain. Get in the easy gear. Got to pedal. Woo! You good? All right. Woo. Woo, it's slippery. Sorry for the Ric Flair today. I'm wooing everything. You still good back here? Let's take a little break on Tweety Bird. Almost halfway out of Tweety Bird. Anybody that actually watches my videos And you want something easy, just an easy chill ride, come out, hit Tweety Bird up here in Bella Vista. Super chill, easy ride. Still be fun. You want to ride it and see how fast you can go. There's a lake right there. So this is pretty much halfway out. I think it's just under 2 mile loop. Yeah, if you want to bring your kids or just a slow chill pedal with the wife, or just keep the legs moving, Tweety Bird's definitely a good loop for that. Like I was telling Seth, it's just under 2 mile loop. I think it's better counterclockwise. Starts off a little more fun rolling downhill, but then got a gradual climb out. Whereas if you go clockwise, you got a fun gradual downhill, but then you're climbing is a lot steeper coming back out. So if you've got time, run them both. Come out and do clockwise and counterclockwise. But I know me and wife come out here and ride this. Wife likes it better counterclockwise. I'm with her on that. I'll let you go ahead and lead. Just slow roll, don't hurry. Especially with these leaves. Like I said, it's mostly just gradual, spider web. It's mostly just gradual climb. Stuff like that, you can kick it in a little bit easier gear if you want. Just kind of, just chill pedal up it. It's a beautiful Monday. We're not in any hurry. Yeah, kind of on a day like today, just stay in the groove where you can see the dirt. You get off in those leaves, it's hard telling what's under there. Like I said, it's pretty chill, fun trail though. It's good to. Well, that's what it's good for. It's good to help you get in shape and not hit a bunch of crazy stuff. Just get used to the bike. You've never ridden that bike before, so. And you might get in another easier gear before this climb. Oh crap. It probably should have went even easier. Not right now though. Don't ever shift when you're climbing. Huh? All right. On the road again. I'm just kidding. On the trail again. Going places I've already been. Sorry, there's a little redneck coming out. Oh, Tweety Bird. The name of this trail cracks me up. Tweety Bird. What a beautiful day. Like, I don't think the weather could be any more perfect. Just A little bit of wind. I don't know what the temps is. Upper 50s, 60s maybe. Have to look when I get back to the truck. The temperature is perfect though. Trail conditions perfect other than the leaves. Oh, a little bit of climb. Not too bad. Got it. Woo. Yeah, I think that seat needs to come up. Just a gradual climb, not too bad. Sasquatch looking at me. Thought that thing was gone for the longest time. I think they moved it. Oh, maybe not. That might be where it was. Actually, we're already back to the truck. Little swing if you want to take a break. Oh man, it was a chill ride at Tweety Bird. Fun trail. One of Blythe's favorite trails. Round two of Tweety Bird. Start off all unset this time. Good old sister on a little bit of goat throws. Little goats. That turn's all messed up. Just go easy. Just keep in mind, the leaves are slick. There's the leaves, man. I keep saying it, man. What a beautiful day. Love this time of year. Leaves are falling everywhere. Look at the colors, temperatures. Trail. Loving life. Landline already. Now, if you want a hard climb, you turn right. It's fun coming back though.
Yeah, we're back there as well. I don't need it.
Yeah, you get going too fast or too cocky today, you can eat it all over the place. These leaves are slick. Oh, should have got an easier gear. Yeah, like I said before, Tweety Bird's a good place. You just want to get your legs under you, keep them spinning, bring the wife and kids, kind of chill pedal. Climbing's not horrible. Downhills are fun and rolling. Nothing, no jumps, nothing crazy stupid on it. Oh, easy gear. Woo. Should have told you that a little sooner.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Went off trail a little bit. Ooh. I knew I should have bought snacks. I'm getting kind of hungry too. I didn't have enough breakfast. Oh, gross. Well, I don't know. Pizza for breakfast could be good. It's not that early. I don't think I could eat anything at 5 o'clock in the morning. Alright. Yeah, just kind of watch your speed, don't get too cocky. That's when this trail will bite you. That turn back here is messed up too.
Yeah, I think I will off it.
Well, like it rolls you right into that tree kind of.
Yep. I had to go left with it.
Yeah. Kind of strange. That's where we stopped last time.
Yeah, I knew it.
Oh, I was going to say, if you can make it just past this hill, it's downhill to the halfway. More Tweety Bird. That's the cool thing about Tweety Bird too, is it's got its own parking lot. It's not very big of a parking lot. So if people park decent in it, you fit a few, quite a few cars in it, but most people don't park very good. So just depends on how everybody they behave in the parking. So it's done lifting. I gotta catch up. There's a spot right back there halfway out too. You can hang a right and walk over to the lake and sit at a bench. It's pretty neat if you want to take a break, chill with the family. Can't remember which lake that is. Is that Windsor, I think? Windsor or Ann? I think it's Windsor. It's the same with Tangent on it. Woo! Yeah, you got a little cocky on that downhill back here.
Yeah.
I was busy talking on the GoPro and you left me.
I'm not looking at that tire the more I can send it.
Well, yeah, you'll get more tired just slow pedaling. I know I feel naked in this helmet though. I couldn't even tell you last time I wore a half helmet. Yeah. It feels colder this lap. Maybe because that wind picked up, I don't know. Yeah, I think this is the last big climb, so getting an easy gear. Uh-huh. Oh. Alright, let's finish up some Tweety Bird. Trying to get Seth's legs back under it. Seth back out on the trail. Yeah, I find riding is just so good for the mind and the body. Just get some stuff built up in my head, just like for a chill ride. Get away from the traffic, the busy hustle bustle, if you want to call it. Just clear your mind. Get a good workout, push yourself. Or not push yourself, either way. It just depends on how I feel that day. Some days I want to ride. Some days I want to ride hard. Some days I just want to come out and do like this right here. Just kind of chill pedal. Especially chill pedal with one of my best buds. Just about done again. As soon as you see Sasquatch, you know we're about done. I think he's just around this curve. Woo! It's a bitty punchy climb. There's Sasquatch. I felt him looking at me. And there's the swing again. Oh man. And there's Tweety Bird with white lightning sitting behind it. Fun stuff.